Personally, I believe video marketing and digital marketing is a whole lot like chess. Let me explain how that's true. So going into a chess game, it's important to have a plan of action and a strategy that you want to follow. You don't want to just randomly move around pieces. However, in the midst of the game, if you're just trying to follow your original plan and you're not adapting or changing, you absolutely will lose. And with video marketing, digital marketing, you have to be responding to your audience, see what's working, see what's not working, see what you're able to rank for in terms of keywords or in terms of hashtag, really digging into all of the specific details and all of the data, and of course being able to take risks or try new things and not just do the exact same thing over and over and over. In chess, if you do that, you're never growing, you're never adapting, you're never learning, and you're never going to get any better. And of course, you can study people who are really good at the game, who are killing it, who are doing an amazing job. However, you don't want to just try to copy every single move they're making, because really you're in your own game of chess and you have your own audience and your own things that work. So you can learn from them in terms of strategies and get some inspiration, but you don't want to try to just copy every single move that they're making. So I just see so many people, they just post the same things. It's kind of bland. It's kind of like everyone else. I mean, think of Wendy's. If you go to their Twitter, that's just completely unique. It's not the typical professional thing, but it has brought them so much revenue. It's different, it's unique, it's sassy, it's wonderful. I really like it. I'll have a link. You should check it out if you're not familiar. And I'm guessing that they didn't, just immediately overnight say, oh, all our stuff is going to be this sassy thing. I'm guessing they took a risk. They started to incorporate it a little more and recognize that this was working, which helped them pivot and change their strategy into something that works a little better. Does this make sense? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. I will see you in the next video.